Hello, hello. This is my commuting helmet, just got home from work. And these arrived this morning, 11:30. I was worried they might arrive when I'm out at work, but I was actually thinking they might not come. I thought, what if the chap who was selling them from a broken Hornet 900 from 2002, same as mine, had second thoughts and thought, hang on, I'll add a zero to that figure. Because see, I tell you how much they were. If you don't know, the new Honda price, guess how much for this assembly? It even comes with a bracket. On mine just rotted through and sheared off the bottom bracket to mount to the sump or the bottom of the frame, whatever. And my collies, two are just disintegrated into nothing because they're just basic mild steel, I think. I'll tell you how much. £586 from Honda, brand new. These on eBay, 30 quid, £30 with £8 courier post. And like I said, arrived at 11:30. And I've phoned the shop up. I was thinking of doing it myself. It's easy enough. I mean, there's only the nuts to undo, but the two that's disintegrated, I think the studs are totally buggered. So you can imagine you could sort of grip hold of the studs with some strong mole grips and carefully heat up the nuts and then try to undo them with a 10mm socket with a long reach extension on. But what if I'm there on the backyard floor and ping, 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 they snap? So I thought maybe it's worth the expense just for peace of mind if I'm doing the bloody job. And I've actually sent last week for 4 exhaust. Yeah, I'll just see if these are the right size. Oh yeah. I mean, you stick some grease on to make them sticky and stick them in the holes of the engine rather than try and stick them on there. And then of course you squash. And I've also sent, they're only £4.65 for 4 with free post, but the studs were £20. And I phoned the shop as soon as these arrived and I checked they're okay, which they are. The black mark there, it looks like he's run over a plastic bag, like I've done. See a plastic bag in the road, you run over it and it melts on your bloody downpipes, isn't it? Yeah, so I sent for the studs. I said I've sent for 8 new studs and nuts just in case they need replacing. Yes, leave it to us. We might replace them anyway. I said, well, if you can do it safely, if you have a method. He said they have a machine that heats the nuts up, but what I'm worried about, these are open nuts, whereas the standard ones on the back are acorn nuts, covered. I don't want them open to the elements like these are. But on the blurb on eBay, these were £19.99 for a set of 8. It said these nuts will only fit this M7 thread. But on the microfiche of the official Honda parts site, which Doble motorcycles do, it said they're M7, which were a funny size. Yeah, I'm very pleased, look at that. Like I said, when the lady at the shop was on the computer, oh no, M.O.T, they don't make them anymore, no, you better go on eBay, you'll be lucky. Or have you thought of genuine Honda, the £586? I said, yeah, I know. I said, well, I might have to. But like I said, I came home, went on eBay, and it said, Blue Hornet 900 2002, accident damage, braking for spares. The radiator was horrible. But these, I might clean them up because I've got all the polishing mops from years ago when I made Silver Wing. I polished all my alloy casings up with. I've got 4 mops about that big and about 4 more little ones, and the 3 different grades of soap, pink, white and blue. Well, they call it soap, it's a polishing compound, different grits. But just a wire brush, a worn wire brush has got a lot of crap off. Let's get that burnt plastic off. I thought of painting them black with that paint I got but what's the point? You know, that's a thick coating. Well, if there's a hole underneath, you know, it soon comes off. I told you my kitchen was actually a bike workshop, didn't I? Yeah, so that comes off, and rub it with a wire brush. And eventually it's gleaming back to the stainless steel. And being stainless, I mean the ones on the bike look alright, it's just really the collies have rotted away to nothing. And the noise is coming from the blown ceiling rings, no gaskets. That looks a bit gratty, but like I said, they'll soon clean up. Anyway, I come home from work early, I just felt shattered after the hot weekend. So I said I'm going an hour early. I shouldn't be doing this, should I? I should leave this till weekend. And just so they've got a lot less labour to do at the shop, I'll take the belly pan off, and I'll also take the lights off. Those cob lights on the radiator grill, because the radiator will have to come off. And those little extra indicator LEDs, eagle eye LEDs. But yeah, £30, unbelievable. If it had asked 180, I might have paid that. And yet the radiator wants 110, and like I said, the radiator looked horrible. Because we don't need one anymore. So there we are, sorted. How do we manage before eBay? It's been a very expensive time getting genuine stuff. Brand new all the bloody time. So that's all. Brief little upload, what's that, 10 minutes? Just to let you know, the challenges have come. And the noisy exhaust will be no more as of next week. Right, bye for now. Should I have some white wine or make a brew? I'll sleep better with a glass of wine. Bye for now and good night.